Hello forex traders, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this channel I show you how to trade the Xauusd with my simple trading strategy. This is all I'm going to be revealing to you in this video. So I really want you to pay close attention to everything that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I know you might not have met me before. If this is your first time meeting me, I really want you to pay close attention, and I also like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out of any vital information that I'm going to be dropping in this video. So without wasting much time, guys, this is the Xauusd, and as you can see, I've taken a trade today. I also dropped this is also the screenshot of the trade where I got 200 pipes, and we made $200 trading with my simple strategy. So I really want you to pay close attention because I'm going to be breaking down step by step how I do my analysis, how I set my strategy, and how I enter my positions to always get 150 to 200 pipes on a daily basis. All right, guys. So without wasting much time, as you can see, we've taken the trade for today. So before I'm going to be taking another trade, is till tomorrow before I'm going to be taking another trade. So that's why I said I should just record this video to also share with you how to trade the gold market, because the gold market is an interesting market and is also a profitable market. But if you don't have a good strategy and you don't know how to trade the market, you are going to always find yourself losing a lot of money, guys. So right now I'm just going to be sharing with you everything that you are seeing on my screen right now. So like I said, in trading the Xauusd market, I normally, like this trade you are seeing here right now that we took is from on Friday analysis. Is on Friday analysis, because what smart money does is that whatever they are going to do today, pay close attention to this part, whatever smart money is going to do today, they've already set it from the previous day. I repeat again, whatever trend smart money is going to take for today, it means they started preparing for that trend the previous day. What do I mean? Now, if you look at this trade that I took right here, it is from on Friday setup that made me take this trade today. Smart money started the move on Friday and I followed through, and the setup was completed today. Now for tomorrow's setup, for tomorrow entry position that I'm going to take, it means that whatever smart money is doing today, Monday, that is what will affect the market tomorrow. I repeat, whatever smart money is going to do tomorrow, they are going to first of all do it today. So that is the kind of mindset you need to have. That is the mindset you need to carry when visiting the market with my strategy. There are a lot of strategy out there, but this is my strategy. My strategy is called the market structures plus the inducement plus the pullback phase strategy. That's what I call it. It's just simple 2 pullbacks, then I enter. But it is combined with market structure and inducement with inducement psychology. So all I'm going to be showing you right here is how I took the trade of today. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be deleting everything you are seeing right here, and I'm going to be taking the trade afresh. I'm going to be doing the setup afresh so that you understand and follow me step by step. So I'm just going to be deleting. I'm going to be deleting this now. So I'm going to be deleting this now so that you can be able to follow up with what I'm going to be explaining for you today. So like I said, if this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out of any vital information that I'm going to be dropping in this channel. And if you check the description of the video, you are going to see a Telegram link. I want you to click on that Telegram link to join our Telegram community where I also post free signals. And also, if you check the second link in the description of this video, you can as well register with our broker. I trade using Xauusd. But my account is a prop firm account. And I trade with funded next. It's a prop firm account and I trade with funded next. So guys, what I'm going to be doing right now, I've deleted, as you can see. Let me crop it a little. Okay, so I want to explain the strategy to you step by step. So pay close attention. So like I said, the reason I took my entry position, a sell position today, and we got 200 pipe was because the setup started from on Friday. So all I'm going to do, when you come to the market, when you come to your chart, you open your chart and you come to the market, all you are going to do is, say if I want to take a trade for today, Monday, I will go to on Friday. Understand? I will go to on Friday. And today, as you can see, is today's date is okay. Is on the 13th. Okay, yes, on the 13th. So on Friday should be on the 11th. Now, all I'm going to be doing is in the SAUUSD market, there are 3 sections. We have the Asia session, the London session, and the New York session. So all I do is I'm going to be marking those sessions. So all I'm going to be doing now is I will take my toolbox. This is the trading view. This is on the 11th. The Asia session starts from 11 o'clock till 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm just going to mark it like this. So once I mark the Asia session, I will draw it up like this. Then I will change this color for the Asia session. I'm going to change it to a yellow color. I already have a pattern there saved. I have a template saved already. So this is my Asia session for on Friday. Now, also there is the London session that happened from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock on Friday. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the London session from 8 o'clock, I'm going to take it down to 2 o'clock, the Nigeria time, because I'm in Nigeria. If you are in any other country, you have to use your time zone. So this is the London session. So all I'm going to do right here is I'm going to take this London session and I'm going to change it to a blue color. I already have a template for it also. Now, after getting my Asian session, London session, I'm left with the New York session. So I'm just going to take the toolbox and I'm going to take it from 2 o'clock till 11 o'clock. Yeah, 11 o'clock in the Nigeria time. So you can use your own time zone to. So I'm just going to change this now to the red color. I also have a template for this already. So this is the New York session. Now, I'm just going to adjust this to fit in very well to the last tip of the candle. I'm going to adjust this also to the last tip of the candle, and I'm also going to adjust this New York session right here. I'm going to adjust it to the last tip of this candle. So as you can see, this is the New York session. Good. Now, after getting the New York session, after getting your Asia session, your London session, and the New York session right here. Now, all we are going to be looking for is a market structure trend from the Asia session to the London session on Friday. So I'm just going to take in my trend line tool and I'm going to draw the market structure right here. I'm going to be drawing the market structure right here. So as you can see, this is the last structure of the Asian session. This is the last structure. Okay, no. Okay, no. For the Asian session, this is the last structure. It happened right here. This is the last structure of the Asian session. An higher high, higher low. So this is the last structure. Now, the first structure of the London session. Now, this is the first structure of the London session. So I'm just going to take my toolbox and I'm going to draw the first structure of the London session. So this is it, and this is for the Asia. This is the last structure of the Asia, and this is the first structure of the London session. Now, the moment you get this, all we are going to be waiting for is a breakout of this structure. So as you can see, on Friday, the breakout happened upward. It's a bullish breakout. So as you can see, it broke out bullish. This is the bullish trend, and it broke out upward, as you can see. So it broke the structure it broke it in the London session upward. Now, the thing is, the moment you have a break of structure upward, it is already a sign for you to know that on Monday, what you should be looking for is to sell. You should be looking for a pullback on Monday. So that is why we took the trade of today. Now, this is the break of structure. Whenever you have a break of structure upward, then your bias for the next day is that you should be looking for a sell setup. Now, if it should have broken downward, my bias for today would have been a buy setup. Now, because it broke upward, bullish break of structure, it means that I should be looking for a sell position on Monday. That was why we took the sell position. So that is one of your advantage. That is one powerful secret that I'm giving to you right now. So once we have a break of structure right here that happened on Friday and it broke structure upward, this is the first pullback. Now we have a pullback that happened right here. Now this is the first pullback that happened. Now, all you need is 2 pullbacks to get your entry position. Now this is your first pullback. Remember, we are looking for a sell position. Now we have the first pullback happening right here. Then once we get that pullback, we have it going bullish again. The moment we get here, we now have the second pullback also happening right here. Now, this is the second pullback that happened right here. Now, our entry position is always at the third pullback. That is why we entered the trade at the third pullback. So all we are going to do right now, this is our first pullback. First one, it pulled up. Second pullback. So all you are going to do right now is to take your trend line right here. Then you are going to mark the first pullback and the second pullback together. You are going to mark it like this. So as you can see, this is our first pullback. Let me change the color to black so that it will not confuse us. Okay, so I just changed the color to black. This is a trend line connecting the first pullback right here and the second pullback together. So we have the first pullback, you have the second pullback. Now remember, we are looking for a sell position for today. Now today is okay, it started on the 13th, though today is 14th, but the market opened on the 13th, 11 o'clock in Nigeria time. So that's why you are seeing 13 here. So the market opened by 11 o'clock, and this is our first pullback that occurred on Friday. The second pullback happened exactly 1:30 a.m. in the night in Asian session. So I can also mark this session as Asian session if I want to mark that, but let me just delete it so that it will not confuse you. So this is the second pullback. Now all we are waiting for is the third pullback. Now this is the third pullback. Now this is our third pullback right here. So the moment you get your third pullback, all you need is a candlestick confirmation. All you need is a candlestick confirmation. Now I would have talked about inducement in this video, how to understand inducement, because inducements are a trap. If you don't understand how to inducement psychology and your candlestick psychology, you might not get your entry properly. And inducement psychology and candlestick psychology is what I train my students on, how to understand how to read their candlestick and inducement psychology to enable them enter their position very well. Now, I don't have enough time to tell you about inducement and candlestick psychology, but this is the first pullback, this is the second pullback. Our entry is at the third pullback. The moment it goes up again and gets very close to this trend line, know that it's an entry alert. We are going to be entry a sell position. So all we did was we waited, we had an inducement candle right here, we had a pull down, a pullback again, little pullback. This is an internal structure. So the moment we got to this point and we got this candlestick confirmation, this bearish, you must have an engulfing candlestick confirmation. The moment we got this engulfing candlestick confirmation, all we did was to enter a sell position at this place, and we targeted 200 pipes. That was our target, 200 pipes right here. So that's why you can see that because we entered the trade, that's why you can see that this dark green appearing inside here. If we did not take the trade from here, it would have been a light green. But because we took the trade, you are seeing a dark green right here to show you that we took the trade, and the screenshot and the evidence is also there for you to see. And if I take you to my WhatsApp community right here, you can see that I also post. We are just 3 subscribers right now, but if you join, we are going to increase because we are just starting out. So if you see, I posted it around 11:25 a.m. right here, that sell once this candle ends in strong bearish position. And as you can see, this was 70 pipes already running, and as you can see, this was the conclusion of the trade, 200 pipes secured in profit. So what I'm explaining to you right here is a very powerful strategy. It's a very powerful strategy that can guide you and on how to trade the SAUUSD market, and for you to keep on making lots of money for yourself. If you understand, like I said, if you understand inducement psychology and candlestick psychology, it will be very, very easy for you to trade. So that's how we took the trade right here. Okay, let me just put it right here. That's how we took the trade right here, and we made profit from that trade. So guys, this is a very mind-blowing video. If it has been helpful, like I said, you can join our community, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out of any training tutorial that I'm going to be dropping in this video. I'm going to be dropping video on a daily basis. I'm going to be dropping video on a daily basis, and you don't want to miss out from what we are doing right here. I'm going to be dropping video on a daily basis. So make sure you subscribe and follow me very closely, and make sure you join our Telegram group so that you don't miss out from any of my videos that I'm going to be dropping. So like this video, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. So like I said, tomorrow I'm also going to be dropping a video. Don't miss out. Remember, tomorrow entry position that we're going to take, the analysis starts from what has happened the previous day, which is on Monday, and I'm going to be explaining that for you tomorrow. So this is how we took the trade, and if you are very smart, you can also follow this strategy, and you are going to be seeing lots of changes, and you are going to be getting results for yourself as well, making 150 to 200 pips on a daily basis trading the gold market. So guys, see you and stay safe.